Manana nginibingelele nginamkelele channel eMaswiti Mina Production okubingelelayo ngixolisa mfanakadlo maphansi le inkandla uma ngabe ke uyaqala ukufika le channel cela ukuthi wenzele iqiniso lokuthi uchofa subscribe maqedwe bale video ushaye like bese ke uyacomment kulolu daba lonamhlanje njengamanje ke siqhubeka ke nodaba oluthinta ke icala lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa njengamanje ke namhlanje mhla ka24 July 2024 udaba ke belikade liqhubeka ePretoria enkantolo lapho khona ke uPinky oyisisebenzi ke saka Vodacom iphinde washo ukuthi ke uaccused number 2 kanye ke ifoni ka-accused number 2 ngempela yayikade ke ikhombisa ukuthi ke iyasetshenziswa kodwa ebe eboshiwe ngicela ukuthi ke sizwele
to do a section in terms of section 205 that you were requested to do a data analysis on this form. Basically, it belongs to, it is alleged here at court that it belongs to Kelly Khumalo. I don't know that, but it is linked with Kelly Khumalo, so the state says.
I was requested in terms of the section 205 to provide call-related data on that cell phone number.
Ingaba uxeliwe yini umbuso ukuthi ke awubhekeke noma ke uhloleke lo makhalekhukhwini lona ngoba ke ngokusho kombuso ke ukuthi lo makhalekhukhwini ke wakhe ke uKelly Khumalo angikwazi mina lokho yebo ngiceliwe ke ukuthi ke angibhekeke imininingwane emayelana kuwona ke lo makhalekhukhwini.
Thank you, man. Now I've got an extract here. I'm going to show you, although it's marked, but I'm going to show you because I don't see where it's marked as an exhibit. I've got an extract here, which is your affidavit. I think that is the best way in which I should do it. Just for you to identify if that is your affidavit and the information contained in here and the annexures there too, are you familiar with them? Thank you. Because it's not been numbered, but this information again we got from the state.
Yes, I can confirm that this is my statement.
Yebo ngakusho ke ukuthi istatement esami lesi.
May you also look at the annexures there.
Just give me a second.
Where's my statement? Or just take this with you?
Oh, do you want it back?
Yeah, may I kindly get
Sure.
it back? Thank you. Ma'am, if you don't get the annexures, it's fine. We can go exclusively on your affidavit. Thank you. So that is your affidavit that comprises of 3 pages, not so?
It did have 3 pages. I, however, don't have a copy of that.
Let me assist you with a copy because I've made copies of your affidavit as well.
Okay, thank you.
Don't worry, it's similar to the one that you just went through. Thank you, ma'am. As I say, we can exclusively go on with the information that is contained in your affidavit. As I'm saying, I'm not so sure whether this has already been dealt with here at court, but this is information that we got from the state, and you are saying that, do you confirm that that is your affidavit, and the information that is contained therein exclusively falls within your own purview and your own knowledge, and you accept it as is?
Yes.
Thank you.
As I see, I just want to make mention that the first 3 pages actually form or is included in Triple J1.
In Triple J1.
Yes, but I don't have the pages with the call data. I just want to make sure that I have this on Triple J1. So if you can just bear with me for a second.
Engifuna ke ukuthi kule statement uqede ukunginika sona manje ke ukuthi ke ama page okuqala amathathu ke akhona lana ku exhibit Triple J1. Engenawo ke ku Triple J1 engifisa ukuthi ke ngwabhekeke ilana ke anemininingwane yama calls.
Yeah, no, you're correct, man. It is actually there in Triple J1.
Yes, so I can confirm that the first 3 pages are part of my Triple J1, but
Thank you.
I do not have the other 2 pages
Thank you.
as part of this.
Ngaqinisekisa ke
No
lokho ukuthi impela ke lama page okuqala amathathu ke akhona ku Triple J1 ila amabili ke okugcina engawaboni noma engawatholi la ku Triple J1.
Thank you. So I don't need to go on and authenticate the statement because it's already an exhibit. Now in paragraph 9 on that statement.
Alright, izo zonke ke lezo besikade ke zenzeka namhlanje ngane kwethu njengoba ke uyizwela ngawakho. Ngizocela nje ukuthi mangafuna ukusala ngaphandle wenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ke uyacofa subscribe, uya like bese uyakhomenta, uphinde futhi ucofe ku notification bell ukuze ungeke usale ngaphandle masifaka ke video elandelayo. Kanti futhi ke uphinde ungakhohlwa ukuthi ke njalo ngama Friday sizoletha ivideo ke lapho khona izobe ichaza konke okwenzakile kulolu leli cala kusukela ke ngomsombuluko kuze kuyoshawa na ke uLesihlanu. Ngiyabonga sidibana kwi video elandelayo.